To set the tone before the prime ministers of both India and Pakistan meet in the Sharm el Sheikh in Egypt. The meeting between Indian Foreign Secretary and his Pakistani counterpart Salman Bashir lasted for 90 minutes. Times Now spoke exclusively to Pakistan's Foreign Secretary, who confirmed that the 26/11 attacks feature in the talks. He also said that it is important to rise to the challenge of terror, saying that Pakistan welcomes the discussions on terror as it is an issue of concern to the whole region. Lastly, he added that it is premature to talk about a time frame when dialogue can begin between India and Pakistan.
Irrespective of the difficulties and irrespective of the challenges that we face today and all the impediments that exist or have existed, we have no option but to continue to believe in a better future in our lifetimes.
Today, a 90-minute meeting between foreign secretaries of both countries. They're meeting again sometime today. Not fixed, the time is not fixed, but they are meeting again. And they're also coming out and talking about perhaps a joint statement by Indian as well as Pakistani Prime Minister. Remember, both heads of state are meeting on the 16th. So clearly there has been some progress. Perhaps it would be safe to say that the ice that was created after the Russia meet has been broken now with this meeting of foreign secretaries. The Foreign Secretary of Pakistan, who we spoke to, said it very clearly, put it on record that Pakistan is not shying away as far as talking on terror is concerned. He also said that the Mumbai terror attacks were discussed. Samjhauta blast was also touched upon. But at the same time, he said that these are just one or two issues that we spoke about, but the dialogue cannot be held hostage to just one single point agenda, whereas terror is perhaps the most important talking point right now. At the same time, it has to be a comprehensive dialogue. It has to be, a process of setting the path forward on how both countries can move forward. Because remember, in 2004, when the composite dialogue began between both countries, it came to an abrupt halt by India when the Mumbai terror attacks took place.